Hi guys, we're back. Let's got it all unwrapped, cleaned up the mess. Now let's take a look at some of this quality product. Which is one of the reasons why I've stuck with Driven Fab for so long, because they always put great quality into their products. All right, let's take a look and see what kind of details we got coming out of this stuff. All right, there's the downpipe. Nice for an Evo 10. It's not an easy downpipe to make, but I like the flex section in it. That's pretty neat. Let's get up close as we can. Some of those welds. Look at those welds. He put a lot of time and effort into this, into his craft. Nice job, Fred. Big Fred's what I know him as. Yeah. Quality materials, quality parts. The dump tube. If I'm not mistaken, Brian and I had talked, and one of the delays was the dump tube fitment. He wasn't happy with it, so of course he put the extra time and effort into it until he was happy with the outcome of it. And now for the manifold. Manifold is going to hold a 6.2 series V-band turbo. Get up close on some of these welds. Look at that goodness there. Let the camera focus in on it. The lighting isn't real good. One of these days I'll get better with this, so bear with me. Got to grow over time. Wastegate, V-band in. Again, look at those welds. Nice, very nice. I can't wait to get this thing on, get it installed, see the engine heat up, see it start to change colors. I'm sure the customer is going to be super happy with it. The Driven logo. Lighting is kind of hard to get a good clear shot of that, but that's really neat. So these guys are what sets the bar for myself to step up to hold this kind of quality. Set that back up and then put in my closing statement. Come on. Yeah, as you know, I spend a lot of time here by myself, so trying to do this stuff sometimes is a little tricky, because this is not my strong suit. Editing, all that. Well, that's not my strong suit, okay? And looking that far away, I don't need these anymore, but strive to do the very best that I can to bring absolute 100% to the table, just like all these guys. Driven Fab, STM, Busher, many companies out there that I've had the privilege of collaborating with over the last few years. I'm in year 5 of doing this myself, and I look up to these guys, and I take in everything, all the advice that they give me, and I take it in and I use it every chance that I get, whether it's in everyday shop life or whether it's putting into the cars that come in here, whether it's an Evo 10 GSR, Evo 10 MR, whether it's an R32, whether it's a Supra, whether it's a Ford Focus that I just did a few days ago. That same kind of quality and determination is what we strive for. So hopefully over time I can start making more videos like this, and you can get more involved and see what goes on around here. A lot of times you get to miss out on the details. You get to see pictures of, before this car came in for getting this, and this. And, when it leaves, it got this, and this, and it made this much power. How about the sustenance? How about the stuff between the slices of bread? But anyways, all right. It's been fun. It's been real. And I need to get back to work because I got more work than I can do by myself. So anyway, call in my part-time guys, and let's get to rocking, guys, and we'll see you later. Ha!